Hello and welcome. This is a drink called How to Make Carbonated Strong Coffee Calamansi Citrus and Strawberry Beige Edition. First thing you gotta do is you open up this Calamansi Citrus and Strawberry Carbonated and you pour it into this cup like halfway. Then after that, you pour in the coffee, which is strong, into this mug. Then after that, last but not least, you add in the milk. And there you go, folks. Here is your carbonated strong coffee Calamansi Citrus and Strawberry Beige Edition. Enjoy it and thank you for watching.